Hi everybody, it's me, Greg Manarino. How are you today? It is Wednesday, July 8th, 2015. People, right now, as I am doing this video blog, we are in the midst of an unprecedented event. The New York Stock Exchange trading has been halted and all open orders are being canceled. Pay attention to that last part. All open orders are being canceled. Look, I don't believe in coincidences. We are right now in the midst of a major event. A global deleveraging is occurring. I've been speaking about how these markets have been levered up greater than we've ever seen in history. And that presents a major problem. What this basically means is investors and traders have borrowed in historic amounts to be involved in this stock market. And when this thing sells off, these individuals are exposed to a greater degree than if they had not borrowed that cash, obviously, so they can end up owing cash. Understand? So, with that in mind here, again, I do not believe in coincidences. Just last night, as the Shanghai Composite Index and the Hang Seng were in meltdown mode, I came out and I did a video. I spoke about what was occurring in the Chinese markets. This has been going on now for a month. So that is tremendous. Again, this is the world's second largest economy whose stock market is in free fall. It's crashing. Now, to me, it seems a little bit fishy that they're blaming this on a technical glitch. The New York Stock Exchange is down and they're canceling all open orders. This is my take on it. I believe they were flooded with sell orders and they said, hey, hold on a second. Let's stop this. And the market, the exchange has been down for over 2 hours. Over 2 hours. This is giving people a chance to cool off. You understand? So this is not a glitch. This is my take. I contend fully that this is not a technical glitch. This is not a terrorist attack. This is a deliberate attempt to stop the bleeding here in the U.S. stock market that was down 260 points earlier in the day. Look, just yesterday, I had done a video where I discussed, and I wrote an article as well on my Seeking Alpha blog saying this selling is not over. You had all the mainstream financial pundits out there talking about how the smart money was buying the dips here. This was Charles Payne, actually, who I happen to respect, but he got this one way wrong. I said absolutely not. This market is trending down, and that's what's going to continue once trading resumes over here. Other exchanges are open. It's just the largest in the United States. It's kind of, again, a little bit beyond coincidence, if you ask me. So what we need to understand, people, and this is really, I think, the premise of this entire video, is this levered up market, and it's not just our market, it's global markets. And really, you need to understand what has fostered this. This is runaway central banks all over the world that have inflated a debt bubble and an equity bubble, and this is going to correct the fair market value. Let's go back just a little bit here. Several weeks ago, we saw crazy action in the bond market. And I went over that. That was a warning sign. I had said in an interview that I did with Greg Hunter that these were warning shots being fired across the bow of this market. And it's playing out exactly like I said it would. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of naysayers out here, but no one can take this away. I nailed the top of this market almost to the day. I challenge any one of my naysayers out there to find one financial person like myself anywhere in the world who nailed it like I did. I don't believe that you will. And has it documented. I have it documented on my Seeking Alpha blog and on this blog. So people, I'm not just pulling all of this out of a hat. I study this stuff morning, noon, and night. And I am telling all of you, we are in a deleveraging cycle right now, which could be extreme. Could be extreme. I have been warning about this for quite a while, but especially as of late. As a matter of fact, I wrote another article today on Seeking Alpha. I'm going to place a link to that article in the description of this video and in the comment section. Again, I keep them short on purpose. I really want you all to start paying attention to that. If you don't already, please read that article. It's very important, and share that article. Get it out there. Let people see what's going on. Again, this is my premise since day one. Well, I have several. Number one is to be betting against this debt. Number two, become your own central bank. And number three is we are all responsible for each other. We need to embrace this mentality, people, because look, they're going to fleece everyone. They, meaning the powers that be that are running institutions like the New York Stock Exchange, that have the power to shut these things down at the blink of an eye. This is government intervention, in my opinion here. I do not believe in coincidences. Look what happened in the Chinese market. The government tries to get involved and the market plunges. Look, the premise is, and I've always been saying this, the free market always wins. It always wins, and it will win now. All of this debt problem, the hyperinflated stock market, housing, precious metals, and every single thing connected to it across the spectrum is going to correct to fair market value. We could be seeing the beginnings of that right now. So you need to be understanding what is occurring, and you need to be adopting an attitude where, again, we're responsible for each other. Let's get this out there. Let's let people see what's going on. It's just so important because, look, there is going to be a moment here when all of the zombies out there wake up. They're going to wake up. And they're going to wake up in an environment they are not going to believe. And that is going to be an epic moment, people. There's no doubt in my mind that there is a natural selection process occurring here. Some people, again, you could tell them that water is wet and they won't believe you, and that's okay. These are the people that are, they're not being chosen in some way. What is occurring now is historic. People have been dumbed down beyond the point of ridiculousness, and some people, like yourself, are able to see a little further down the road than most people, and that's a gift. That is a gift, and it allows you to understand where things are going. It's not that hard to connect these dots here. A lot of people can't do it, though. They're incapable of it, or they don't want to see it. But again, there's where our responsibility comes in here, people, and I'm really asking to get involved here. Share this video, hit this like button down here, and just post it everywhere. Let's get it out there, because I really feel that we are in the midst of a massive global deleveraging process, and people are going to get wiped out. We also have this insurmountable debt problem, which is going to unfold, and no matter what they do, there's no solution to this. What are they going to do? Add more debt to an already inflated debt problem? It's incredible. So we stand at the top of several bubbles here, people, and they could burst, and they will burst simultaneously. I had spoken about this years ago. I said, when we reach a moment of critical mass, you're going to see boom, 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 boom. All of these bubbles are going to collapse at the same time here. And government intervention in China and this thing with the New York Stock Exchange, again, this is no coincidence that this happened today. Unprecedented. And all open orders are being canceled. That allows them to eliminate all the sell orders. You understand? So forget about what the mainstream is trying to force feed you. This is what's occurring right now. All right, I think this video is getting awfully long. I'm going to end it, but take 2 minutes out of your day. Please do this and read that article that I just wrote on Seeking Alpha. There is a link right down here in the description of this video and the comment section. Please get involved. Share this video. Give me a thumbs up and share the articles that I have posted on Seeking Alpha. I'm asking you all for a personal favor. Let's get it out there. Let's let our voices be heard. And if you're part of my team, I'm really counting on you for this. I'll see you soon. Over and out.